Welcome to Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2020 Jeep Compass 4-wheel drive Trailhawk edition. This comes with a true 4-wheel drive system, 4 doors, leather interior with cloth inlay, lots of trunk space, full-size spare tire. Comes equipped with your power locks, your windows, power mirrors, cruise control, tilt wheel, hands-free device also. Leather trimmed with a cloth inlay. Keeps you in your seat when you're four-wheeling. Armrest in the back with vents. Most important. This vehicle has 62,369 miles on it. Reverse camera, true 4x4 system with a 4-wheel drive low and a downhill assist, automatic transmission. If you have more questions about this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at the dealership at 808-334-1111. Ask for me, Rhino. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you may have about it. Thank you very much. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day.